Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on 10 VA services that you can offer right now, and you don't need any special skills to do this. For the ones who don't know what a VA is pretty much a remote professional who provides administrative, technical, or even creative design support to clients, helping them save time and run their businesses more effectively. And let's just jump straight in. One of the 10 services that you can provide as a VA is inbox management. Organize emails, respond to basic inquiries, flag important messages, and keep your client's inbox clutter free. The second task you could do is calendar scheduling, so managing appointments, booking meetings, and ensure your client's schedule runs smoothly and without any conflict. Number three service you can provide is data entry, inputting information into like spreadsheets, CRMs, or databases, whatever the client's using, accurately and efficiently to keep clients' records organized. The number four service you can provide as a VA is graphic designing, which is like creating simple visuals on Canva, like social media posts, banners, or any type of marketing materials they may need to help the client look more professional online. Number five service that you can provide as a VA is researching. That's just like gathering information, compare products or services, and provide insight to help the clients make decisions. Again, they're busy and they're running their businesses, so these are some things that they just need some extra hands to do. Number six service that you can provide as a VA is social media posting. That's just what we do on social media, everyday things like schedule and publish posts, engage with the followers, like in the comment section, on the behalf of the client, and keeping your client's accounts active and consistent. Number seven service you can provide as a VA is file organization. So that's like sort and organize digital files, folders, documents, anything that the client has to keep organized in their business so that the client can find it easily. Number eight service you can provide is customer service replies. A lot of people utilize this, a lot of small business owners responding to emails or messages or inquiries from customers in a timely and professional manner on the behalf of the client. Number nine is booking travel. I know I get a lot of questions on my social media regarding this. If travel agents could do this, this would be a great service. If you're a travel agent and you want to add a different stream of income, being a VA and booking travel would be great. And you can have like a double win because you can use, if the client doesn't have something already, as a travel agent, you can use your travel agent perks and things like that to get discounts for the client. So it's like a double win. So that's a great additional income if you're a travel agent, is to add in some VA services. So travel booking is where you're going to research and book flights, hotels, or transportation, helping the client plan their trips efficiently. And number 10 is going to be transcription work. And I know that probably doesn't seem like a VA service, but it is a service that VAs offer. And that is listening to audio or video recordings for the client and just making sure that it's accurate. Now, who needs these services? Clients who commonly will hire VAs are going to be small business owners, online entrepreneurs, coaches, and realtors, which is my niche. So if you wanted to start today, you could pick two services out of the 10 that I mentioned and then just get started. You don't need to use all 10. Kind of find an area that you're more stronger in than the other and go from there. Myself and my agency, we specialize in admin work. So we really don't do any of the graphic designing or anything like that. But if it's anything in the administrative realm, that is what myself and my team does. And we absolutely love it. So you just got to figure out your secret sauce and what task and services you like to do. That way you would be a great VA for a client. And that's all that I have for this video today. 10 VA services that you could provide if you wanted to get started as a VA. I have lots more VA content coming. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. I talk all things work from anywhere, remote and freelance income. So go ahead and give me a subscribe, like this video if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next video.